This is day 4.
Okay, now
We build the belly blocks. We build the blocks. As I tell you, a step is going up through here, turning, and coming up and landing on this landing. This here so it's going to be a full landing. And here's going to be a full landing. Now the work that poured yesterday, see we build the blocks and we solid pour all of these block holes because it got to take pressure. We can put material in here and then we can cast a landing the same level as this. Now, when you come in, the ramp can start from here. And you can circle, you're going to go up top, go round, and land back at the top there. All of these areas is where you can get leeway. Now we start to drop the steps. The steps can be 15-inch landings along with 6-inch risers. So we're getting 48 inches, so that'll work with a 6 and an 8 for risers.
No, they put it there for you to scrape it in case. Sweep and then bring it.